Yeah, ebusuafo, we love family. Say emransan so say be say din komo kakra. Ti mejiri say obo ade so adum ye nyina ye ho ye. Yeah. Yeah, ye kan nyina no say it is time. It is time say we should recognize the gift of the nature. It is time for us to recognize the gift of the nature. Ti say ewia we so ye bedi nkomo short. Ye bedi nkomo short. Na ye hu say the nyama besi akọ. Ti media always betanka asem bi say Africa is the richest continent. Africa is the richest continent, but the Africans are the poorest people because of our laziness, because we don't know how to value our things. See, I'm say use kenkeliba and stay stronger. I'm say na iba besua ewia we. But the yam yan say teaching we no ebekọ na wie no. We people who are in Africa no, we will put this thing aside and still be going after the chemicals. The white are be using these things and they are healthy, they are strong. Ti enya no ne hia ye bedi nkomo kakra bi me nche kra video we me ye ne short so what you say the edikan kenkeliba ye ka say kenkeliba ewo mu different. So opeso hu we ni year your friend Togolese Togo kenkeliba in Aigbe for friend Vakoifa chief for friend Mofaba Brody just en kola mo brody na ye ba besua no ho ade abusuan ye natural tea sa adua we ye de tea so what you say ye de tea men konum tea a oba benya headache nausea ene de ye keka no nyina so tea leaf we and as a plant we it is very common in Western Africa. Western Africa they are common. Gambia, Senegal, Togo, Benin, and then even Ghana. Yeah, is very common in these areas. And then we are going to learn about this plant from the leaf down to the fruit, from the fruit to the roots, and you see the importance of it. So what I say, subscribe YouTube channel no Truth Telling Time Jacoba our YouTube. More teachings are there. Yenko yenime. Kenkelibawe. Ye the yeti. A criminal ye faso the yeti. It is the leaf. The leaf of it. You will pick the leaf. Just like this. You pick them in abundance. Then you dry it if you like. But when you want to dry it, don't dry it under the sun. You can just pick it like this and put it in your room. Find a place in your room. A place in your room and put them on the floor, bare floor like that. About 3 days later, 4 days later, it will get dried. And when it is dry like that, then you are good to go. What do you have to do? You boil a water. Boil a water seriously. Then you take a quantities of the dry leaf. A quantities of the dry leaf. Then you put it into the boiled water. Then you cover the water. Some minutes later, you see that the chlorophyll in the leaf, and you will see the chlorophyll on the leaf in the water, just like the way we do tea. So you see that say a piano no nsu a wo mu leaf no nsu a wo leaf na mo no e be yi ne hu e wo nsu no mo. Now excuse me, this you are now going to do a natural tea. So this is not the time to go and look for a chemical milk. You can add milk to it, but make sure that it is not these chemical ones. Good. Then when you have your water like that, and your water like that. Then you add whatever thing. Me Sesada Koba, I don't add anything to it. I go raw. Sometimes with things like this, I don't want to take bread. I drink it like that. Good. When you take this leaf, when you do tea with the leaves of kenkeliba, I am saying that we have different types of kenkeliba. So you be careful when you are looking for it. This is how it is. This is how it is. We have different type of kenkeliba. So look for this one carefully and use it. Good. When you do tea with this leaf, kenkeliba, what are the things? It is antioxidant. Antioxidant. It takes all those oxidants from the body. Therefore, our liver and the kidney, they become strong to work. We, the youth of today, who are always with our electronic gadget, phone, laptops, electricity wires, and whatever, when you take continuously this leaf as a tea, it will prevent you from getting cancer. Have you seen it? So this leaf contains antioxidant. That is number one. Number two, it fights against blood-related diseases. Blood-related diseases. When you continuously take a tea made up of the leaf of this one, it fights against it. Good. If you don't want to dry it, you can just pick the leaf raw like this, fresh like this, and cook it as a therapy. Have you seen it? You cook it as a therapy and you drink. So it is not by force. You do a tea with it. If you want to make it as a tea, then you have to dry it before and you do it like that. Just like the way you use tea bags. Or you cook it fresh like that. You cook it fresh like that. Then you start drinking it. So the leaf of kenkeliba, Togolese kenkeliba, it contains an antioxidant which fights against oxidation. Number two, it fights against blood-related diseases. This leaf, it is common in our society, especially in Africa here. But when you don't know, you don't know, and it is not your fault. So this is a time that you start giving respect to the nature and live strongly. Because abrofono mo ye druna mo ye no ohun tablet na white sa no ne sa nyama na be de ebiom, but they will never teach you. But sandro tablet na de nyina no oban ma ewie no asama another trouble. So it is better we go naturally. Because ade we nyina your friend bibidro nti eyedro a ewo bibiman mu sanka obi kura be kire herbs a eyeya bibifo no. We the black must teach the white people how to use herbs, because eye bibidro. So what you say? Ti yanko yeni ti say a containing blood a containing antioxidant and a fighting against any blood related disease. It also fights against all liver ailment. Yalebe bia ebetimi aha o liver no. Any sickness at all that can worry your liver. When you start taking a tea or the therapies of kenkeliba, you will be free from all liver. I mean, even if it's not all, it contains a high level of anti-liver element. Te ebebu so obe start say we o yuzu. So obe yuzu bi ebebu pa bebo papa afei so a healthy digestion. This it help digestion. So a problem what digestive system no, if there's a problem with all digestive system no, if you start taking the therapy or the tea made up of this plant, you will start seeing changes in your system. So you will see changes in your system. See, this plant is very rich. Very rich. Yet children free so that you know your home betimi aden, your home betimi aton. Sana de neti. Ti your coin afi wo bi a kakrebi headache. It is good for you and advisable for you to start using this product, this natural product, a gift of nature. Start using it. Chronic headache. Debian headache. When you start using it, you will see changes in you yourself. It is time now that we must start kicking chemicals away from our system. So what you say? Amazon. After obi a diabetes patient. This is your solution. We are diabetes patient. You have diabetes. Because of diabetes, you will think that they charm you. Diabetes in the house. Start taking the therapy, the raw leaf, fresh like this. You can cook it, and drink it, be drinking it. Or you can be taking it. You tea, and a baby tea, and I say you baby tea. No. It is good for you. This plant, there is no caffeine in it. No caffeine. But tea nyama they koto market and again natural no. There is something called caffeine in it. So when you start taking a tea made up of product which contains caffeine, there you will start having your friend insomnia. Won't mean that with caffeine you can't sleep. Small time no nausea. Nice overfit. Kakebia nice overfit. You will start having what? Nausea. Caffeine gives what? Dizziness. Caffeine, it gives dizziness. Oh, one will need the chew. No, so the chew. I saw boom san, I saw no san. No, so one no san bia. This is the natural plant which you can use to replace those things. Yo, I catch them all. Anytime I can say, we should subscribe the channel Truth Telling Time Dakoba. YouTube. More teachings are there. More teachings are there. See, yanko yenime. Otafa caffeine zwa. Caffeine. You'll have upset of stomach. Oh, wana say, oh yefu ya we ya, asa nya we ya. Oh, wana oyefu aye di. I say one me also a command. That is the first of caffeine. This is caffeine free. Caffeine free. Wa kasa ofie obeye anapa no man kola no anumbi. So that everybody in the family will live naturally. So what you say? Enye da. Neye nananum. Our ancestors knew that herbs are helpful to our health. Our ancestors know the quality and the medical side of herbs. They know herbs that are poisonous and poison and herb which are not. Herbs be or what yendi, a be so what yedi. Our forefathers, they know that. And ye mana yababa tro. Will buy room say Mundi be a bam. Nemo fa habani de infansa yere. Oh, Debbie, a wahodada. A wahodada. Ti after ye ba fruit no soa. Ye ba fruit no soa. It is inside like beans. It is inside like beans. But this one is very tiny that you can't see them. Can you see them? I'm not sure. It's also very good when you dry this seed, the seed of kenkeliba. You dry it, then you grind it, and you'll be adding it to your tea or your breakfast. It helps against hypertension. Africa, we are blessed naturally, but we don't know the secret behind things around us. That is our problem. Africa is naturally blessed, but we don't know the secret behind things surrounding us. But with Sister Dakoba, one by one, aye obo adena duma ye nyina ye besua no bako. When you start using this thing, you will see that you start saving money, because the money you are going to use to buy something in the market to come and do tea for yourself, you will save that money, and that money can be used in something else. You see, instead of you to go and take some chemicals, to go and take something made up of caffeine, which will give you another problem later, you will take this one, which is side free, no side effect. No side effect. This is the benefit of you being African, a black man. I know that even what I'm teaching today, my fellow black will not use it. The white people will go and look for this thing and start using it. And blacks are still going to forget about this leaf. So I'm saying leaf no. I'm saying about the leaf, fruit no. And also the seed no, seed the woman no. Seed the woman no. And also just like the leaf. Afe ahanati. The men for the men ahanati. The roots of kenkeliba. The root of kenkeliba, it does wonderful works. Number one, you who is suffering from hernia, when you are there, small time, you will hear some noise from your abdomen. Small time, something from your abdomen. You hear some sound in your abdomen, and mostly beside your penis, beside the penis there, you hear some sound, and like crew. Go and find kenkeliba, or even when you have the hernia. I'm saying that I'm teaching this thing free because Africa, I want Africa to start waking up and move forward. That's why I'm teaching this thing free. Go and find the root of kenkeliba. This is a tree. This is a plant. Mofraba brother. I go for friend abakoinfa. French for your friend kenkeliba. Go and look for the root. Cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces. Plenty you. Good. Now, listen to this part carefully. After you cut it into pieces, if you are somebody who takes alcohol, it is not by force. If you are somebody who takes alcohol, then look for a strong wine. Strong one. I'm not talking about soft drink. Why mostly this our local medicine, we are asked to use alcohol, local gin, apeteshi, the local gin. Why normally we recommend that gin? Because you see that it is very dry and hot. So when a drop of apeteshi gets into the blood, when a drop of apeteshi gets into the blood, it works quickly with the blood. That is why we be hearing that if you want to do this, put it into apeteshi. put it into apetition. It is not the apetition which is going to do the work. It is the medicine. But why apetition? Because apetition works quickly with the blood. So, if you are somebody who drinks alcohol, then after cutting it into pieces, then you put the leaves, you wash it carefully. That one I hope you know. You wash it carefully, then you put it into the apetition and put it down for at least 3 days or 5 days. And you start taking it a bit by bit. You will clap for Kenkeliba. Not me. You will not clap for me, but you will clap for this plant. I was a whole community hub, but we never knew about it. Sana identity. Obi nima obi chere. Obi nima obi chere. So we know that the leaf, I must say yasfian leaf no. Ana yabasfian neat. Afi yaba the root. Nti root ne die. If you drink alcohol, boni bi animo. Alcohol drinking, Bible no be cassette na so bebrem. And then person me call Bible. So if you drink alcohol after cutting the root of Kenkeliba, the Togolese Kenkeliba, that is the name you can use to find it on it. Togolese Kenkeliba. When you tap Kenkeliba, different plants will come. All of them. It is a family. We have a family of Kenkeliba, but this is the one I'm talking about. So excuse me. Get me clear. There's a family of these three. So this is the Togolese Kenkeliba, commonly known on net. So you cut it and you put it into the dry gin, which is commonly known as apetition. Then 5 days later, you start taking it, maybe a tot. You will see that your hernia disappears. A year you might say, bro, it will disappear simply. You see, until we see manchere, and I'm a quatrana kakan kitty, egu bass a bim. Nama kojina marketer, menyesika, I will get money by no nameshe. So for more teachings, subscribe to Truth Telling Time. Our YouTube. And no when your teachings no more. By coming after, if you don't drink alcohol, you can cook it, boil the root, cut it, and find water. That one, it depends the volumes of water, the quantity you like. Boil it in it, okay? Boil it correctly, but make sure you cover the top. You see, when you are cooking something and the vapor is going out, mostly when we are doing therapy, you shouldn't allow the vapor to go out. That is one secret in cooking, making therapy. So you will boil it on fire and you start drinking it. Please, for those who are going to boil it, I didn't say add sugar to it. I know this root is very bitter. Bitter. Nti bomodian so be de obanum no saa. Bomodian so obanum no saa. Ababu papa. It erase hernia. Na bema also why free. Ebema osisi mu kra san de asan da ho. Asan da ho kama. So these are some of the importance of this plant Kenkeliba. This plant Kenkeliba. Even in Togo, somebody has now started making Kenkeliba farm. A man in Togo called Adamas Kudu. He has employed people working in the factory. This thing. And now when you're free, no. You subscribe to YouTube channel, no, and get more.